family, I am Almedially Exum and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Vegan What I Eat in a Day. Today I will be sharing a very simple recipe with you. It's very easy to do and I call it the vegan White Castle burgers, okay? So if you're craving some fast food, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. All of the items that I'm listing in this video can be bought at Whole Foods. So for the main item, which is what you'll use as the burgers, I am using the Beyond Meat spicy breakfast sausages. They're so yummy and they're really not even that spicy. But if you prefer not to have the spicy ones, go ahead and get the original breakfast sausages, also sold in Whole Foods. So like I said, these sausages right here are the vegan breakfast spicy sausages, and they'll be the burgers for this meal. You'll also want to buy the pretzel buns. They taste so good and they're vegan from Whole Foods, and they taste so good and they're thick. And they kind of remind you of White Castle burgers, but they're even thicker. And then also we'll be using kale. I use 360 kale from Whole Foods, and I'm just sauteing it in a little olive oil, and that's all you need. Next, the only thing you'll need is a couple of slices of tomatoes. I buy the tomatoes from Whole Foods that are on the vine, and I just slice up a few of those, and all you do is once you cook the sausages for about like 5 to 10 minutes. Really not even 10 minutes. They cook really fast. They're vegan and they're plant-based, so they cook relatively fast. So I would say about 5 to 7 minutes and those burgers will be done. You don't need to add any extra oil. Just put them in the pan, but if you want to, a little olive oil will do. So I would say that's all you need. All you need is you cook the sausages in the pan, take them out, add them to the buns. If the buns are frozen when you buy them from Whole Foods, just bake them in the oven or in a toaster. But they do sell them fresh and soft, so just slice it open. And I don't really use too many condiments, but in the video you will see ketchup, which I also bought from Whole Foods. So you can just go right ahead and just put the sausage patty on there, a little bit of kale as you see in the video, and some tomato. And you just put the bun on there. And I also use, as you can see in the video, steak fries from Whole Foods. I just put those in the oven and bake them. You can add a little sea salt if you want to, and that's what I use the ketchup for. If I'm using ketchup, most times I don't, but I just put it in the video just in case you're interested in adding a little flavor to your fries. But there you have it, you all. You have vegan White Castle burgers from the comfort of your own home. Healthy vegan meal. Who says you can't eat good and eat fast food and still be vegan? There's plenty of options out there. And this is how the burger turned out. The burgers, the mini sliders, they turned out very well, very yummy, juicy, and they taste amazing. This is also a good option if you have children around you, if you have any kids in your family, or if you're throwing a little event like a Super Bowl event or a family gathering. Buy a couple of packets of these breakfast sausage, Beyond Meat breakfast sausage patties, and they'll do the trick. You know, you maybe even make like 20 sliders, and people will love you for making this. It's a really good a good meal for an event as well, because they're small, so they're like, you know, they can fit in your hand, but they taste good, and people may want 2 or 3, and they're fast to cook. So thank you so much for tuning in for this this segment of what I eat in a day, vegan style. And I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Have you not thought about this before? Have you already tried this? Will you try it? Trust me, it tastes really good. You can be vegan or try out vegan food and enjoy the food. Thanks again for tuning in. I am Almedially Exum. Remember to click that subscribe button and share this video, because you never know. Someone else might want to try this recipe and they'll thank you for it later. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you all have a great day.